Now, temporary accommodation units and portable toilets are being installed in earthquake-affected areas of Kumamoto Prefecture, Japan. Residents can take advantage of these facilities to cope with extreme heat, power cuts, and water shortages. Our correspondent in Japan reports.
Container units have begun to be installed on vacant land in Yatsushiro, one of the cities affected by the earthquake. Each air-conditioned unit is equipped with chairs and beds, providing a cool place for around 10 people.
It has been extremely difficult, so I am very grateful. In this intense heat, it is such a relief to have somewhere cool like this.
Measuring 2 meters wide, 5 meters long, and 3 meters high, each temporary unit is also fitted with solar panels to generate electricity. According to the company, these container units are normally used at construction sites, but have now been deployed to support earthquake relief efforts.
I want those affected by the disaster, as well as the volunteers, to be able to stay as comfortably as possible. I'm very pleased that these units are helping people.
Portable public toilets have also been installed in earthquake-hit areas. Trucks carrying the facilities have arrived in Hikawa town, Kumamoto Prefecture. A number of local authorities have sent the equipment to support residents in the affected communities.
We are extremely grateful for this timely assistance, as access to toilets has become a major problem for us.
Shower facilities using recycled water are also being installed. A Tokyo-based company specializing in water recycling technology has set up around 30 units at evacuation centers since 30 July, at the request of the Kumamoto prefectural government. Although the death toll has not increased at all over the past 24 hours, there are still more than 8,500 people who remain evacuated from their homes, facing extremely high heat, as well as ongoing power and water shortages, all of which continue to make daily life very difficult for those affected. Hwang Ho, reporting for Vietnam Today.